Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Heather, and today we're diving into some amazing glasshouse design ideas. I'll be showing you some incredible images while explaining the design choices and why they're both stylish and functional. Let's get started and explore these stunning homes. Looking at this beautiful modern glass house, I absolutely love how the large glass panels allow for an open, airy feel while inviting plenty of natural light inside. The contrast between the sleek black frames of the windows and the warm wooden ceiling adds both sophistication and warmth to the overall design. The glass creates a seamless indoor-outdoor connection, perfect for entertaining or enjoying the view. If I were to change anything, I'd probably add more greenery to soften the sharp edges and bring more of the outdoors in. Overall, the glass design is both visually stunning and practical, enhancing the sense of space. I love how this space blends modern and cozy elements. The large windows allow so much natural light to flood in, making the room feel bright and open. The glass design here creates a seamless connection with the outdoors, making it perfect for entertaining. The wicker pendant light adds warmth and texture, complementing the sleek white furniture. Personally, I'd add a colorful rug under the dining table to break up the neutral palette and bring some vibrancy. Overall, the glass design is stunning and practical, creating an inviting, airy atmosphere. This design is absolutely striking. The large, uninterrupted glass panels bring the outdoors in beautifully, offering stunning views of the surrounding greenery. I love how the glass creates a sense of transparency and flow between different areas, making the space feel open yet private. The elevated walkway feels like a peaceful transition between nature and the interior. If I were to change anything, I'd add more plants inside the space to blur the line between indoors and outdoors even further. The glass is clearly the star here, making it a serene, nature-connected design. I really enjoy the simplicity of this glass design. The large windows allow for a seamless transition between the indoor living space and the outdoor patio. The abundance of natural light floods the interior, creating a bright, inviting atmosphere. The outdoor seating area feels like an extension of the indoor living room thanks to the continuous glass panels. If I could change one thing, I'd add a pergola or some shading over the patio for added comfort and visual interest. The glass here beautifully enhances the connection with the outdoors, making this a perfect space for both relaxation and entertaining. I love how the glass doors in this design completely open up to blend the indoor and outdoor spaces. The folding design is not only practical, but also gives a modern, sleek look to the exterior. The glass allows natural light to flow freely into the interior, making the space feel larger and more connected to the outdoors. The outdoor dining setup is great for entertaining, but I'd consider adding an outdoor rug to define the seating area and soften the look. Overall, the glass elements create a wonderful balance of openness and style, making the space feel airy and inviting. I'm in love with the dramatic high ceilings and exposed wooden beams in this space. It adds such a cozy yet grand feeling. The large arched windows bring in so much natural light, making the room feel even more expansive and open. The glass design here does a wonderful job of connecting the interior with the outside greenery, creating a tranquil vibe. I wouldn't change much, but I might add more plants inside to complement the natural light and enhance that indoor-outdoor flow. Overall, the glass elements perfectly complement the rustic yet elegant aesthetic of the room. The floor-to-ceiling windows in this space are breathtaking. I love how the black window frames contrast with the natural greenery outside, making the view almost feel like a piece of art. The glass design perfectly captures the surrounding landscape, giving the room a peaceful, airy vibe. The high ceilings and exposed beams add rustic charm, while the cozy seating arrangement makes it feel welcoming. Personally, I might add a few more earthy tones through throw pillows or a rug to tie in with the natural surroundings. The glass here really makes the space feel open and connected to nature, which I absolutely adore. I love how this space blends rustic and modern elements. The dark wood ceiling contrasts beautifully with the bright white island and cabinetry, giving the kitchen a warm, inviting feel. The large windows and glass doors let in tons of natural light, making the space feel open and airy. The light fixtures add a touch of elegance, especially with their geometric design. If I could change anything, I'd add some greenery to soften the space and bring a little more life into the kitchen. The glass design is both functional and beautiful, creating a bright, refreshing environment, perfect for cooking and entertaining. I absolutely love the minimalistic and airy vibe of this space. The tall, expansive glass doors invite so much light in and perfectly connect the living area with the outdoor space. It makes the room feel much larger and more inviting. The arched alcove adds a touch of architectural interest that contrasts nicely with the clean lines of the furniture. Personally, I would add a colorful accent pillow or throw to liven up the monochrome palette. The glass design here is stunning, allowing for an easy indoor-outdoor flow and making the whole space feel serene and modern. I really love the elegance of this dining space. The large glass windows on all sides offer a stunning panoramic view of the outdoors, making the room feel open and serene. The natural light pouring in highlights the sleek, modern furniture, especially the textured chairs that bring in some warmth. The lighting fixtures are simple yet bold, adding a contemporary touch to the space. Personally, I might add some floor plants to soften the edges of the room and complement the outdoor view. The glass design is absolutely functional and beautiful, creating a seamless connection with nature while still maintaining an intimate dining atmosphere. This glass extension is such a smart way to bring more light and space into a smaller home. I love how the glass roof and doors make the dining area feel like an outdoor space, even though it's fully enclosed. The sliding glass doors are both practical and stylish, offering easy access to the patio and garden. The natural light pouring in creates a bright, airy atmosphere that's perfect for family meals or entertaining. If I could change anything, I'd add some hanging plants inside to soften the sharp lines of the structure. The glass design really maximizes the connection between the interior and exterior, making the whole space feel larger and more open. I love the sleek, modern vibe of this outdoor space. The large glass doors create a beautiful visual connection between the patio and the interior, making the whole area feel cohesive. The black framed glass adds a bold, industrial touch that contrasts nicely with the warm lighting on the steps. The lighting is both functional and stylish, guiding the way up while also creating a cozy atmosphere. If I were to change anything, I'd add a few more plants around the seating area to soften the edges and add more greenery. The glass design here truly enhances the open, inviting feel of the entire space. I'm really impressed with how the large glass windows and skylights completely open this room to nature. The natural light flooding in makes the space feel alive and vibrant. I love how the tall trees inside give the room an indoor-outdoor garden feel, which is enhanced by the clear views through the glass to the actual outdoors. The skylights are a great touch, allowing even more light from above. If I were to tweak anything, I'd add a few more colorful accents, perhaps through cushions or a rug, to add contrast to the neutral palette. The glass design here perfectly complements the serene and lush aesthetic of the space. This space feels like a peaceful retreat, and the arched glass windows are truly stunning. I love how they frame the outdoor view like a piece of art, while letting in so much natural light. The mix of rustic materials like the stone floor and weathered walls pairs beautifully with the soft white furniture. The glass design not only opens up the room, but also creates a calming, airy atmosphere. Personally, I'd add a few more textured throws or pillows to give the seating area more warmth and comfort. The balance between the raw, natural elements and the elegant glass is what makes this space so unique and inviting. I'm completely in awe of this conservatory-style space. The glass ceiling and windows create a beautifully bright and airy atmosphere, making the room feel like an extension of the garden. The white furniture enhances the fresh, light feel of the space, while the greenery adds a natural touch that ties everything together. The intricate design of the glass ceiling is an elegant feature, drawing the eye upward and making the room feel even larger. Personally, I wouldn't change much, but I might incorporate a soft throw or two to add some texture to the seating area. The glass design here is not only functional, but a true statement piece. Thanks for joining me on this tour of stunning glass house design ideas. I hope you found some inspiration for creating your own light-filled modern spaces. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more home design tips and ideas. See you in the next video.